Very nearly at the summit now. Whew. Been a tough one. Getting very close to the top. It's taken about 4¼ hours to climb to the summit. But to give you an idea of the steepness of the last bit, you can't really see it from here. It took 2 hours to climb the first 2,000 meters. It's taken 2¼ hours to climb the last 871. This stuff under the feet, and loose gravel, sand and rocks, pumice, really difficult to walk on. For every one step you take forward, you seem to take 1/4 of a step back. Volcano's active, and this smoke that you're seeing is sulfur fumaroles. If you've never smoked sulfur before, it smells like rotten eggs. So there you go. That is, wow, that's a pretty incredible view. 2,871 meters above sea level. Avachinksky done. That was a tough climb. Not only did you have that tough sand, not only that, but the exposure is difficult. You have Isaac Newton and Einstein's general theory of relativity. There goes my bottle of water. Trying to pull you down. You've also got the wind, which tries to blow you down. It also makes it pretty chilly. And if you weren't aware that it was active, you can see the sulfur, all that yellow colour. Pretty impressive. Quite a few people up here walking around the crater. Kamchatka now doesn't look so big. Turn the camera that way. I guess it looks like the shot's been taken from an aeroplane, but I can assure you that this ground is pretty damn solid. Now let's go for a walk and then we'll have some lunch. I'm starving. We climbed up on that little rock down there by accident, thinking it was the way to go, only to have to backtrack, which was frustrating. And this sulfur stinks. It also makes it difficult to breathe. Hello. Smile, you're on GoPro. You can just see the campsite down there actually, all those coloured roofs of tents and huts, and that riverbed that you see leading out is actually the road that people drive in on. It's as I said on my blog before, there are no roads in Kamchatka, only directions. Oh, Anna's put a coat on, she must be cold. Some happy Russians. It's a pretty impressive lava field. Hello. Gorgeous colour to the sulphur. Kamchatka there is, I don't know, it's another 700 meters higher than we are here, but apparently it's a much more difficult climb and it takes 2 days. And since we fly to Tokyo in 2 days, I'm not going to be climbing that one. ground is actually quite hot. This steam and the sulphur coming off it is very warm, and we're shielded from the wind a bit. It's nice. It was cold coming up that slope. In the distance there, you can just about make out the runway at Yelisovo, the international airport of the region, also the town that we're staying in. There in the distance, the far distance, you can see those volcanoes that we spoke about earlier. The more iconic shape, maybe, I don't know, stratovolcano or something, is called Avachinksky, with Mutnovsky on the left and Goreli on the right. That's 3 active volcanoes hiked in 4 days, and I'm ready for a rest. Not sure how much further you can go without getting a lot of sulphur in your lungs, which doesn't taste very nice. Go. That is
Avachinksky. No.
Avachinksky.
Avachinksky. Done.
Avachinksky is that way.
No.
Avachinksky is not that way. Kamchatka is that way. Avachinksky is over there. Better sign off. Till the next time.
Bye.
Well, in Russian.
Oh, до свидания.
До свидания.
О, пока.